In this program, we are going to reverse a number and check if it is a palindrome or not. So in case of palindrome, the reverse number should be same. For example, let us say I type 1 2 1. So after reversing, it would be 1 to 1, and so it is palindrome. So first of all, taking num as input, so int input, prompting the user to enter the input, enter number. After that, again what we need to do is the concept of digit extraction. So the same things over here, temp is equal to num, and sum would be initialized with no sum is needed here, so no need. Reverse is needed, of course, so reverse would be 0. So after that, doing the same things, that is while temp is greater than 0. So digit extraction concept is very important, that is do unlimitedly, and whatever you need to do you can do. If you want to find the sum, you can find the sum. If you want to reverse, you can reverse, whatever logic you want to apply. If you want to do some series, then you can do. So the thing would be same, that is temp is equal to integer divided by 10. This is the iteration part. And now talking about reversing it, the logic for reverse would be reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus temp modulus 10, that is adding to the reverse the digit. So temp modulus 10, temp modulus 10 gives us the digit. So after that, we are going to print the reverse. So reverse of the number colon comma is reverse. After that, we are going to check if reverse is equal to num. So if that is the case, then it is going to be a palindrome. So printing for it, palindrome number, else not a palindrome. Saving the program with palindrome num.py. So let us understand this program. We know the concept of digit extraction, that is temp modulus 10. We are going to extract the last digit and changing the last digit. For example, 432, 2 will be taken and then it would be discarded, 43 will remain, then after that 3 will be taken, 3 will be discarded, and 4 will be remained, and then 4 will be taken, 0 will be remained. So talking about the program, let us understand. First the temp is 432, let's say, then after that reverse is initially 0. The temp is greater than 0, the condition is true, then reverse into 10, 0 into 10 is 0, and temp modulus 10, the last digit would come out and added to 0, so reverse would become 2. After that the temp modulus is taken and now the quotient with integer division, so the last digit would be discarded, it would become 43. Now the temp is again greater than 0, so now the reverse is 2, So 2 will be multiplied by 10, it would become 20, and the last digit would again be extracted, that is 3, and 3 would be discarded over here. 4 is greater than 0, and again the reverse into 10. The reverse would become 23, so it would become 230, and the last digit, that is 4 would be added over here, and the last digit would be discarded, it would become 0, and temp is no more greater than 0, so it would become 234. So 432 becomes 234, and then the reverse would be printed, and if reverse is num, it would be palindrome, else it would be a not a palindrome. So now saving the program and again running it. So let us say 1 to 1, reverse is 1 to 1, and it is a palindrome. Now again checking for another, let us say 111, reverse is same and it is a palindrome. Let us check for another number, let us say 54, reverse is 45 and it is not a palindrome.